The secret to becoming a millionaire is revealed. Here are these millionaires and billionaires' keys to success. Do you ever think to yourself, it must be nice, when you hear about the glamorous lives and million-dollar deals of top business leaders like Richard Branson and Bill Gates? Well, as nice as their lives may be, being nice has very little to do with this level of success, as you'll see in a moment as people who become millionaires by age 30 reveal their keys to success. Bill Gates values simple solutions. Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates hit the millionaire mark in 1981 at age 26, and he became a billionaire by 31. In a 2007 commencement address at Harvard, Gates discussed how complexity stands in the way of solutions. The barrier to change is not too little caring. It is too much complexity. To turn caring into action, we need to see a problem, see a solution, and see the impact. But complexity blocks all three steps. If we have clear and proven answers anytime an organization or individual asks, "How can I help?" then we can get action, and we can make sure that none of the caring in the world is wasted. Mark Zuckerberg believes in making big bets. He was a billionaire by age 23. Mark Zuckerberg changed the way we communicate with Facebook, and as co-founder and CEO of the social media platform, he became a millionaire at age 22 in 2006. By 23, he was a billionaire. In a 2016 Facebook post discussing the 10th anniversary of the platform's newsfeed and initial resistance to the feature, Zuckerberg lauded his team's willingness to take risks. One of the things I'm most proud of about Facebook is that we believe things can always be better, and we're willing to make big bets if we think it will help our community over the long term. Newsfeed has been one of the big bets we've made in the past 10 years that has shaped our community and the whole internet the most. Elon Musk says it all comes down to hard work. He was a billionaire by age 41. Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX and co-founder of PayPal and Tesla Motors, reached millionaire status at age 27 in 1999, and then billionaire status by age 41. During a 2014 commencement speech at the University of Southern California, Musk told students, "I think the first is you need to work, depending upon how well you want to do, and particularly if you're starting a company. You need to work super hard." So what does super hard mean? Well, when my brother and I were starting our first company instead of getting an apartment, we just rented a small office and we slept on the couch. We showered at the YMCA, and we were so hard up we had just one computer, so the website was up during the day, and I was coding at night, 7 days a week, all the time. Warren Buffett swears by external performance measurement. Warren Buffett emphasizes measuring your performance against the broader market. In 1960, the business magnate, investor, and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway became a millionaire at age 30. By age 56, he was a self-made billionaire. It's important to measure one's performance, not just internally but externally, against the broader market, he told Inc. Whether we do a good job or a poor job is not to be measured by whether we are plus or minus for the year. It is instead to be measured against the general experience in securities as measured by the Dow Jones Industrial Average, leading investment companies, etc. If our record is better than that of these yardsticks, we consider it a good year whether we are plus or minus. If we do poor, we deserve the tomatoes. Jeff Bezos says take risks for market leadership. It took Amazon 3 tries to get its business as a selling and fulfillment platform off the ground. First, it tried Amazon Auctions, a more or less direct aping of the model that put eBay on the map. That morphed into shops, and finally into Amazon Marketplace, which accounts for nearly half the units sold on Amazon.com. Given a 10% chance of a 100 times payout, you should take that bet every time. Bezos wrote in his very first annual letter, 1997, "Failure and invention are inseparable twins. To invent, you have to experiment, and if you know in advance that it's going to work, it's not an experiment." This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.